Hi, I'm Jeff, the founder of the Virtual EMDR Eye Movement Therapy Program. Thank you for taking this important step and signing up for Virtual EMDR.
If you're new to Virtual EMDR or not sure what to expect, this video will give you a tour of the program and some tips on how to make the most of your EMDR sessions. Our self-guided program takes you step by step through your EMDR session without needing a therapist to guide you. Your Virtual EMDR subscription includes full access to our programs for trauma and PTSD, depression, anxiety, grief and loss, fears and phobias, and addictions. First, from the menu on the left, you can take self-assessment tests, learn grounding and calming techniques, view your session data, and access your session worksheets. You can also direct access the Eye Movement Tools software and the EMDR Therapist Tools software. To begin a new self-guided session, click on the Begin Self-Guided Session button, or if you're using our Therapist Tools software with a client, click on Begin Therapist Program. It's important to take your time and read all of the instructions until you feel comfortable with the features of the program. During your session, you'll be asked a series of questions designed to prompt your thinking and help you uncover key details of the issues you are working through. Do not skip this. You can answer the questions by typing manually or click the microphone icon to access our speech-to-text function. You may choose to read the instruction text, or you can listen to it by clicking on the speaker icon to access the text-to-speech feature. Virtual EMDR features instructional videos designed to maximize the effectiveness of your session and teach you how to properly use the sound, speed, timer, and other functions of the Eye Movement Tools software. While many people who use Virtual EMDR experience relief after just their first session, most will need 4 sessions or more for long-term resolution of their symptoms. Each session can be as short as 20 minutes, but averages 40 minutes in length. It's up to you to decide the session length that works best for you. It is also up to you to decide how often you want to use Virtual EMDR. Some clients choose to use our program daily until they feel their symptoms are resolved, while others will only do 1 or 2 sessions per week, especially if they are working through painful past life events.
Again, thank you for joining Virtual EMDR. We're glad to be working with you.